Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a full review of the FocuSee app, which is basically the screen studio alternative that I found for Windows, and it's much cheaper. So I got the plan, I tried it out, and the first thing I want to show you, of course I'll show you everything here. First thing is the audio enhancement feature, because look at this. This is what it sounds like with my mic, the background noise. So I'll play this. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to open. Okay, this is what it sounds like, right? You just come your left-hand panel, click on audio control, and just toggle this on. Audio noise reduction. Check this out, okay? Look at this. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to... It's pin drop in the background. I cannot hear anything else, right? I have made over 2,200 videos on YouTube on this channel alone, and this is a game changer. Okay, now if you look at Screen Studio, the problem I had with this, it's only available for Mac OS. And even the price is way higher, $229 for the one-time license. And FocuSee was only $69.99. And you can use it both for your Windows and Mac. I've used it, it's really good. I'll also show you this promo code that I got. Okay, that we can go ahead and use. I'll leave a link in the description. So this is the promo code. You just come here, click on buy now. Okay, I'll show you the features as well, but you just come here, click on add a discount, apply the promo code. Okay, put it here, click on apply. It's the code FS off 2025. I don't know how much this is in percentage, but $14 off is $14 off, right? So let's come back here to the app. So if you don't know what this is basically a screen recorder that uses AI to automatically track cursor movements, apply, smooth zoom effects. As you can see, we have zoom effects going on here, and turn your raw recordings into professional looking videos. I don't have to spend, usually to make a video like this, I would have to spend at least an hour to 2 hours just, zooming in everywhere, doing all the effects. Let me show you. So this is the zoom effect. Let's play the video. What I want you to do is come to the bottom left and right click on your start icon. You'll see a bunch of options. I want you to just come here and click on Task Manager. And that will go ahead and open your task. Check that out, guys. It did look, all of this, it did it automatically. I didn't have to do anything. And you can even create presets. So if I come here, click on preset, I can go ahead and apply my own presets on how I like my settings to be done. For example, I can get rid of this background if you want. Of course, you can change the background before I apply preset. Let me show you these. You can change the background easily with any click, right? You can find a lot of different options they have. You can even add your own custom image, your own background, even your own watermark logo. Okay, you can even do face cam as well. I currently don't have a camera enabled, but you can also add a watermark. So, for example, our channel logo. I could literally have my channel logo right here in my screen recording, maybe in the corner right here. You can do captions. Okay, it generates for you captions in all of these different languages. Okay, let me show you the different languages they have available. As you can see, they have all of these supported languages. And if you're wondering if your computer can support it, these are the system requirements. Okay, and I found that they usually update it quite often. As you can see, they have been regularly updating. Right now, we're in June 23rd, 2025. They have been updating it. So I'm happy to see that as well. Now let's get back to the app right here. To generate captions, all you need to do is change and choose your language and then click on generate captions. Okay, and it will do the subtitles for you. Right now, what I wanted to show you was the animations. So if you want these motion blurs, you can keep it on. If you don't want them, you can toggle it off. Okay, just by one click, you can change the effects, the blur effects, okay, of everything. Cursor movement, if you want it to be slow, fast, you can do that. Zoom and pan. So let me show you. So this is zoom, right? I can make it faster, medium, or even slower. Set your own custom pace as well, right? If you want, you can increase the tension. So I've made it medium. Okay, you can make it fast. Let me show you fast. And right click on your start icon. So you see the zoom is much faster. Now I'll just leave it at slow. That is what I like. And if I come here to cursor, you can change the cursor style. So this is the cursor, right? I can make it much bigger or smaller as per my needs. I like to leave it at about 1, okay? And let me just leave it at 2 so you can see the differences. We have all of these different cursor styles depending on your needs, right? You do click effects. So let me show you a click effect. So you come here and right click on, you see that's a click effect. That helps with audience retention. Now these kind of videos really help with audience retention. What you can do is enable cursor click sound. So if I toggle this on, I click on maybe soft. This is what I like. That is what it sounds like. Look at this. Click on yours. It really increases audience retention. These kind of screen recording videos, if I was using this software from before, I would have a much higher audience retention on all of these videos, hands down. So if we come back here, you can remove the padding if you want. So this is the padding. Look at this. I remove this. We get rid of all the padding we had with the background. And if you're wondering how to get rid of this round edging, you can go ahead and decrease the roundness. You can decrease shadow if you want. Okay. You can even come here and choose your own custom, right? Different exports that you can do. For example, this one I want it to be in YouTube's format. You can choose Facebook, Instagram stories, Twitter. I'll do YouTube. This one is for shorts. This is long form 16:9. This is what I'll pick. And when you're exporting, by the way, they let you export up to 4K. So MP4 format or GIF. And I can export up to 4K and frames. You can check it out here. Depending on your PC, of course, you can get more frames. So as you can see, I could get way more frames depending on my PC. And your export speed also depends on the PC you have. Remember, guys, you can export and record unlimited, right? It can be as long as you want, but the export time will depend on your PC. You can easily crop things out as well. Let's say there was a part of the video that I did not like. Okay, I wanted to crop it out. I can just come here and crop the video, right? Just easily crop anything and click on apply. I'm not going to do that. And if you want to clip the video, right, you can easily clip and delete parts if you want. So there we go. We deleted that. And to undo, you just come here, click on undo. Okay, I'll undo it again. I don't want that clipped. If you want to add your own zoom or any effect, you can easily come here and add your own zoom features as well. You can spotlight things. Okay, so if I come here, I can spotlight maybe this, right? The start of the video. And then we can watch this. Open a task manager. Now the first thing I want, see, that's very easy to do. I'll go and undo that as well. You can add your own zoom. So there you go. I added my own zoom feature. I can drag this out, make this longer. Okay, you can change your own zoom levels. So if you don't want to zoom that much, you can reduce the zoom level, as you can see. Now the first thing I want you to do, I have added basically a zoom before the actual main zoom, right? So we're transitioning the audience. And all of these zoom features that we have here, I did not even add those. I added this one for you just to show you, but these ones were automatically done. Okay, this one you can do to see the whole timeline. So I'll clip this part out. This part is just a silence. So I'll clip that out. I'll get rid of that. Of course, you can have shortcut keys to start your recordings. I can show you right here. You just click on settings here at the top right. Then I think you click on settings and you can get shortcut keys, all of these shortcuts. And of course, you can get rid of this as well. Now, let me show you the preset. So we'll bring all of this back and I'll show you the preset I had. So I have basically audio control, okay, zoom features. I have on noise reduction already. So I come here, click on preset, just click on apply, literally, and then click on apply again. That's all you have to do once you're done recording. It has applied my preset just like how I like it. So once you're done with everything, you can just come here, click on export, and then just start exporting. Really that easy. There'll be no watermark. By the way, you can actually try this for free. They do have a free download. You can go ahead and try it out. And if you want a 30-day trial plan, you can go that as well. They'll not bill you twice or on a renewal basis. It's only a one-time payment. This is also one-time, a lifetime usage. So go check it out. Right now, as you can see, it is exporting. While that is exporting, we'll come back here and I'll also tell you why I got this over Screen Studio. So one, of course, it offers both Windows and Mac. Screen Studio does not do that. One-time payment only. Okay, I know this one also has a one-time payment, but this one is way more cost effective. Honestly, way more cost effective. And I think I gave you this, you know, promo code that you can use. And by the way, there we go. A recording is done. I'll show you that in a moment. So this one was the code. You just come here, click on buy now and put in the code. I'll leave the code in the description as well. You can copy paste it. Okay, you just put in here at a discount, put the coupon code. And now that we're done with this, I'll show you how to start new recordings. I can just come here, click on exit. So we're done, right? So I come here, click on FocuSee. I already have it open. And we have different options. I can change my mic here. Okay, I can change my speaker options. I can even use a teleprompter, right? Let me show you the teleprompter feature they actually added recently. And you can basically read your text while editing, while recording, okay? And if you're wondering about the use cases they have for this, you can do demo videos, tutorial videos, reaction videos, pitch videos, promo videos. Maybe you're a teacher, right? You can do all of those courses. You can show your courses on this. So you can do full screen recordings, custom recordings, or even window recording. For example, for custom, you just click here and drag on my screen. So I'm only recording this part, for example, and then just hit record, right? All right, so before we end the video, I'm going to let you watch the output. This is in 1080p. That is what I exported. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to open a task manager. Now, the first thing I want you to do is come to the bottom left and right click on your start icon. You'll see a bunch of options. I want you to just come here and click on task manager. And as you can see, I'll just leave it right there. We'll end the video. Okay. And if you found this review helpful, you appreciate the honesty, the full guide, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll leave a link in the description for FocuSee and the promo code. This is the promo code. Go ahead and check it out. You can try it for free as well. And I'll see you in the next one.